Hi, my name is Anne-Helene and I'm an occupational therapist and the owner of Baby Steps. Today, I will take you through the exercises that you can do with your baby when you're taking them to the swim center. So in this exercise, I will be talking about another back lying exercise where we, instead of holding the hands underneath of the body of the baby, we're using our shoulder as support. So this exercise is really good for the babies who might be a bit uneasy about being in the pool and who would really benefit from being close to your nervous system, close to your center, close to your heart rate, so that they can tap into your heart and get a sense of the calm that you hopefully have while you're in the pool. Because remember, the calmer we are, the calmer our babies will be when we're at the pool. If you have a little tense and stiff baby, I would definitely go with an exercise like this where we are fully supporting them with our body underneath the water. What we will be doing in this exercise is we will have the babies in front of us facing outwards so that we have our noses pointing in the same direction. Place them a bit to the side, leaning against your body, one hand underneath of the bum and the other hand around of the chest. And then you submerge yourself into the pool until you have your arms submerged onto the shoulder height of yourself. And then you lean back so that you are almost floating yourself in the pool. And the baby's head will then be resting on your shoulder. You will have your chin against chin and you will be able to sense each other. You will be able to cuddle in the pool and give the comfort that the baby might need when you're in the water. This is also an exercise that really stimulates and helps all the primary senses. In general, baby swimming are stimulating the primary senses. You can also, in this exercise, submerge yourself so that your baby have their ears underneath of the water, so that we are closing out all of the external sounds, but only having sounds from the submerged state, which are bouncing around in another way, and in a way that most of the babies are still used to from when they were inside of the belly. This is an exercise that I really recommend using in the end of the session where you're in the pool, because it's a really calming exercise and you have a lot of body to body contact with your baby. This was a short video with a nice exercise that you can use with your baby the next time you're at the swim center. I hope you will enjoy the exercises and good luck. Bye.